it helps to have the right anode. That goes on. Got it? Right here. And what does that do?
It keeps stray voltage from the water from damaging stuff in the boat. There we go.
I must have. On it goes, and let me show you what the old one looked like.
Right here.
Here. Oh, I got some pieces here too. So
That eats away.
It eats away. There you go. So that was there, and that's a new one. So it lasts for a year to two,
Yeah, a year to
right?
two.
A year to two. This is we left this on 2 years, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's Loctite on those threads so it doesn't come loose.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess this got buffed up.
Yep.
Look how clean she looks. Oh, wow. Bottom is painted nicely. And she's shiny too. They did buff it. Yep, not totally shiny. Up we go. She just needs a really good cleaning on the top now.